Sir Eddie, direct, bakit kailangan abangan ng mga solid Eraserhead fans at mga solid OPM fans itong docu ng Eraserheads?
Kasi ngayon lang nila, I think, mapapanood yung banda na ganito ka, I guess, forthcoming and sincere. And also, just to revisit the whole history of the Eraserheads, na if you're a really huge fan, you'd be interested at marami pa dito na hindi nila nalalaman.
Direct, gaano ka-challenging i-direct at gawa ng documentary ang icons like Eraserheads?
Sa sobrang hirap niya, ito na siguro yung pinakahuli kong documentary. Hindi, nasabi ko na siya before na it would be my first and last documentary. I have tremendous respect for documentary filmmakers kasi nakita ko talaga kung gaano kahirap gumawa ng isang documentary. It took us 2 years para ma-complete yung documentary kasi ganun kadami ang material about the guys. Tas on top of that, it's like getting these guys who's notorious for being evasive and aloof to sit down and talk about things that's already difficult to talk about. Tapos nun, ganun pa yung, di ba, ganun natin sila, ganun yung pagkakakilala natin sa kanila. So, pero yun nga, parang I was very lucky na parang timing lang siguro talaga na parang I mean, may maturity na, may wisdom na hindi naman nila binigyan ng masyadong, hindi naman masyadong mahirap to get that honesty and alam mo, vulnerability out of them. So it really showed the strength and also the maturity na siguro natin nila over the years. Yeah.